Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has a 6.9-inch screen and a 5,500 mAh battery. Do you have exceptionally large hands? Are you a giant? Do you like phones that are as big as your head? If the answer to any of the questions above is yes, we have a cool phone to show you. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has an absolutely ginormous 6.9-inch screen. The Mi Max series of phones was always about mid-rangers with a big screen and a big battery, but the Mi Max 3 towers over its predecessors. The Mi Max and the Mi Max 2 both had a 6.44-inch screen. At 5,500 mAh, the battery has gotten bigger as well. Xiaomi claims it'll charge from 0 to 71% in just 1 hour. In terms of specs, the Mi Max 3 is still definitely in mid-range territory. The screen is an LCD with a 2160 by 1080 pixel resolution. The processor is an octa-core, 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 636 with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and the rear camera is a 12.5 megapixel camera, coupled with an 8 megapixel selfie camera on the front. It has a USB-C port for charging, a fingerprint scanner on the back and, mercifully, a 3.5mm audio jack. On the software side, the Mi Max 3 is running Android 8.1 with Xiaomi's MIUI 9.5 on top. As is the case with basically all modern phones, there are plenty of eye-assisted features here, including scene recognition in the camera and face unlocking. The most striking aspect of this phone being its size. Let's look at it a little more closely. The screen has a simple, notchless design, but the bezels on top and bottom are quite slim. The dimensions of the device are 176.15 by 87.4 by 7.99 millimeters, with the weight being 221 grams, according to GS Marina. The biggest phone I've held recently is the 6.59-inch Vivo Nex, and it's considerably smaller at 162 by 77 by 8 millimeters. I haven't had problems with the Nex's size and I do prefer larger phones, but the Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is really pushing the envelope here. The Mi Max 3 will be available in black, gold and blue. The model with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage costs 1,699 Chinese yuans, $252, while the variant with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage goes for 1,999 Chinese yuans, $300.